I'm going to show you the easiest step-by-step way to restore your WhatsApp messages, whether you're using iPhone, Android, or switching from iOS to Android. Part 1. Before you restore, before we jump into recovery mode, open WhatsApp on your old phone and go to Settings, Chats, and tap Chat Backup. Check if a backup exists. If not, tap that shiny Backup Now button. Make sure the same phone number is active on your new phone. WhatsApp backups are soulmates with your number. Mismatch them, and they ghost each other. iPhone users, ensure you're logged into the same iCloud account. Android folks, confirm Google Drive access. Part 2. Restore WhatsApp on your new phone. Here comes the fun part. Delete WhatsApp from your old phone. Trust me, this is part of the ritual. Now, on your new phone, download WhatsApp from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and tap Agree and Continue. You'll be asked for your phone number. Enter the same one you backed up with. Yes, we're being clingy for a reason. Now the magic happens. WhatsApp detects your backup and shows the Restore option. Hit that, and wait. Once done, tap Next. Enter your name, maybe throw in a photo if you're feeling fancy, and you're in. Boom. Your chats, media, and group messages are now right where they belong. Your shiny new device. Part 3. Switched numbers? Here's the right way to do it. Changed your phone number recently? Don't panic. Don't factory reset anything yet. Open WhatsApp on the same phone and go to Settings, Account, and tap Change Number. Enter your old number, then your new number. WhatsApp handles the handoff, migrating all your chats, groups, and data. No need for backups, no need for stress. But here's the catch. This only works if you're staying on the same device. If you're changing devices and numbers, your chats, sadly, don't make the journey. Part 4. Switching between iPhone and Android? Welcome to the Bermuda Triangle of WhatsApp chat transfers. Same number? Different OS? Sure, you can transfer your account and contacts, but your chat history won't come along. Unless you use the official Move to iOS or Switch to Android migration tools. They're finicky at best. So if cross-platform migration is your thing, consider this your reminder. Back up everything and double-check compatibility. So whether you're switching phones, numbers, or just reinstalling WhatsApp after a mini meltdown, your chats don't have to disappear. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Aaron Tech.